severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for Warwick, southwestern Spencer and southern Vanderburgh counties in southwest Indiana, and Henderson and northwestern Davis counties in northwest Kentucky until 8:15 p.m. At 7:35 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm with a history of producing golf ball-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located 5 miles northwest of St. Joseph, or 12 miles southeast of Henderson, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Spencer, Vanderburgh, and Warwick, and the following counties in Kentucky: Davis and Henderson.